Peace, 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 family. I hope all is well with y'all. I hope you are having a lovely Friday, okay? I hope you had a wonderful week. I want to start off by saying, first of all, thank you for tapping in with me. I'm always honored and grateful for the opportunity to be a beacon of light unto the collective, all right? Today we're doing something different. Spirit has spoken, all right? It has been asked of me to use my platform to do a reading in regards to who is Larry Hoover and who is Rod Hayes, okay? Shout out to Rod Hayes, this God brother. Let me just put it like this to make it really short and sweet. I've been asking constantly for truth to be revealed unto me, and along the way comes Rod Hayes, all right? The first time that I heard him speak, everything resonated. Everything resonated with me, okay? Those of you who know me know that I see through BS, know that I can smell it, I can see it a mile away, and there's nothing about this God that is fraud, okay? I just wanted to put that out there. So thank you for asking me to do this. I didn't even have to think about it twice. It was just, Spirit was like, I'm like, well, let's get into it. I just seen 222. All right. Thank you, Spirit. We're going to jump right in, okay? Holy Spirit, who is Larry Hoover? Wow. Okay. So, thank you, Spirit. I literally saw this card earlier today when it was asked of me to do this reading. I saw the Emperor and I saw the Three of Wands, and that is what's coming out right now is the Three of Wands. Wow. But I saw the Three of Wands in the original, the traditional tarot deck, okay? Hold on. Spirit said, look at this other deck. This isn't the traditional one, but it's close to, okay? And this is the picture that I saw of this man with the three wands, okay? And the ships. I was seeing the ships, okay? Larry Hoover is tapped in to his personal power, okay? He's tapped in. And he's ready. Let me say that. If y'all don't know, he's ready. And with him not being free, there's a great deal of imbalance. He's waiting. Larry Hoover is waiting. There's going to be more chaos. There's going to be more conflict. Fires, as we've been speaking about, lightning, earthquakes, all of that. Until he's center stage, okay? He needs to be free. And we need to verbalize this more. We need to reach out more because he is waiting. What I say? The Emperor. The Emperor. So what I saw earlier, as soon as Rod Hayes said, can you do a reading on who Larry Hoover is and who I am? These are the cards that I saw just in the traditional tarot deck. The Three of Wands and the Emperor. The Tower is also out here. Crooked man walking. He's our leader, y'all, period. He's tapped into his personal power. I will repeat that again. He's waiting, and he's preparing also. I get a sense of him, Larry Hoover, preparing for what's to come. Because with this tower coming out here, with the Emperor, there's about to be a swift transition. Great upheaval. Great upheaval. Okay? Some people are going to be able to handle it and some are not. Some people are going to be prepared and some are not. But he's ready. Wow. Rod Hayes was also talking about the game of chess. I'm not a chess player, so if y'all know what this piece is that the Emperor is holding, there's something significant about that. He's the initiator. He's the leader. He's going to initiate great change. The Hierophant. The Hierophant just came out clarifying the Three of Wands. The Four of... Okay, so I'm seeing 4-4. Take that back. 4-4-4. Take that back. 4-4-4-4-4. 44-44. I'm seeing 44-44 in regards to Larry Hoover. Okay. Clarifying the Emperor is the Four of Cups. The Four of Pentacles and the Four of Swords is at the bottom. Now, Rod Hayes would have to do some clarifying on this, but I recall him saying that there's two individuals who stand beside Larry Hoover. One being Jeff Fort, Malik Angel Bay, okay? How I've seen it is Chief Malik, all right? And who else, Spirit? Stanley Tukey Williams, okay? But as I've stated, Larry Hoover is our leader. He holds a great deal of wisdom and knowledge, okay? And he's ready. He's waiting, but he's ready. And I get this vibe that he's like, I don't want to say at peace, but he's patiently waiting, okay? He has a deep knowing. Facts, he has a deep knowing. Again, as I stated, I'm seeing 44-44 for Larry Hoover. It's like he's waiting to receive the message of something. He's waiting to receive a sign. Larry Hoover's waiting on a sign. And again, it's like he's patiently waiting, but he's ready. Let me be clear on that. He's been in deep meditation. He has been in deep meditation, strategizing, planning, preparing. Y'all better wake up. Straight up. The Emperor just came out. I got chills. The Emperor just came out again. This time it's clarifying the Tower. Larry Hoover has the... I got chills, y'all. Hold on. All right here. I'm emotional. I'm such an empath. Okay, hold on. Another 4, by the way. At the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Swords, y'all. Okay. So, again, the Emperor is out here twice. Now, this is, thank you, Spirit, this is what I saw before I had any cards out, before I tapped into this reading. When Rod Hayes asked me to do this reading, when I thought of Larry Hoover, I saw the Emperor, this picture right here, and the Three of Wands. He needs to be placed back on his rightful throne. He is our leader, period. Period. Truth is being revealed. There's a breakthrough here, y'all. He's ready. He's going to initiate. He's been initiating, okay? But there's something that's coming up. There's something big that's coming up, y'all. Where I mean swift upheaval. Swift transformation. And take this how it resonates, because I know a lot of us say like it's not just going to happen overnight, but literally there's something that's going to take place where it's going to be like night and day. Okay, like one moment it's like this and the next it's like whoa. Okay, blown away. Let's move forward. Okay. I'm seeing a lot of kings for Rod Hayes, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'll show you. But Justice just came out in the upright position. Let's be clear. Justice just came out. The King of Pentacles. High Priestess came out. High Priestess came out reversed. And what I'm getting at the bottom of the deck is Strength and the King of Cups. Rod Hayes has been, he can correct me if I'm wrong, okay, but this is what I'm getting. Rod Hayes has been obtaining, receiving a lot of information, a lot of wisdom for a long while now. It's like he's been doing his self-work for a long time now. And has been connecting deeper and deeper with Spirit. Rod Hayes is bringing justice. Rod Hayes is a part of the balancing of the scales. Okay? This is what I'm getting. My attention keeps going to this sword here. What is that? It's like he's slicing through the BS. No lie, it's like he's slicing through the BS. Wow. Y'all bear with me, because this is my first time doing a reading like this. And I had to get permission from the benevolent ancestors to do this. So the what I'm receiving right now is, it's amazing to me. Let's dig deeper. Rod Hayes is revealing the truth. He's sharing. Thank you, Spirit. Rod Hayes is sharing, okay? He doesn't have to do this, but he's being obedient. He's sharing all of the wisdom, all of the knowledge that he's been obtaining and receiving over the years. He's now sharing it with the indigenous people. He's now sharing it with the tribe. He is extremely wise. Whew. And a part of his mission is to slice through the BS, okay? And reveal the truth. He's a part, again, of the balancing of the scales. He's in tune. He's tapped in big time. And this is confirmation as to why I feel, especially seeing this King of Cups here, why I've been feeling what he has been saying. It's like I just feel it to be true, and a lot of us have been feeling that way. Wow, we appreciate you, Holy Spirit. This is that energy of high honor. That's what I'm getting from that. Thank you. High honor. High honor. It's like he's revealing the hidden agenda. And I can't even say hidden. It's hidden for some people, but he's revealing the agenda. I hope that makes sense to y'all. And I told y'all, this man is brave, powerful. He's a part of the awakening of the people. Rod Hayes has been putting in the work, okay? I'm saying 222. 222 for Rod Hayes, okay? There's progress that is being made. He is a part of the progress, okay? He's a part of the progress of us taking back all of what is ours. And, whew, I just seen 2222, okay? And all the wounds that we have, all of the swords that have been stabbed in our backs due to lack of knowledge, okay? Due to programming, due to being lied to, all of that, okay? It's this energy of relief. It's this energy of relief, like we are being relieved of that, and now we can head to the space of healing, okay? No longer avoiding the inevitable, okay? Learning that endings are merely new beginnings. Rod Hayes is preparing us for what's to come and putting us in a space of being fearless. There's nothing to fear. For those of us who are in alignment, there's nothing for us to fear. Rod Hayes is a part of us also learning how to listen to that inner voice, okay? Learning how to go within. Also how can I put this, Spirit? How to cut off the noise and the nonsense, the lies. It's not complicated. It's really not complicated. There's no big words that I need to use or nothing like that. No extra anything that I need to use. Like, seeing a lot of swords. I just heard brain banging. Okay. Getting our minds right. I want y'all to go check out Rod Hayes. Okay, he's on Facebook. He's on Instagram. That's Rod Hayes, RODHAYES. Okay. If you follow Isis Wisdom, She has had him on her Telegram platform, and I believe on Instagram. But I want y'all to start off by checking out that live that he did with Isis Wisdom, okay? And go from there. I want to give y'all some final guidance, see what Spirit has to say to you all before we close this, all right? The collective universes. Whoa. I'm telling you, that's literally what I just said. So the card to come out for everyone is open intuition. Seek clarification. Dag, y'all can't see that, can you? Okay. Open intuition. This is card 29. So we have another 11 here. Wow. And at the bottom of the deck is align your universe. Card number 1. Okay. Spirit is asking y'all right now to dig deeper. Literally, dig deeper. Get serious. Okay? And this open intuition, seek clarification is exactly what I was telling y'all in regards to who Rod Hayes is, what he's doing. He's literally making us think. He's making us go deeper. He's making us soul search, okay? That's what that is. That's why I laughed when it came out, because open intuition is what I was just, it's seeking clarification. Go within. This is how you feel things out. This is how you filter out, how you filter the truth from deceit. And listen, align your universe says navigate distractions. It's time to stop being distracted. That's what I just said. No more distractions. Pay attention. Wake up. All right, y'all. That's what I'm getting here. Okay. I hope you understand everything that I have said. But everything that I have said, it is what it is. Period. This has made my day. I already knew these things, but to see it play out in the cards is a beautiful thing, and to be able to share the truth with the collective is a beautiful thing, and it is an honor. All right. I love y'all to life. Again, thank you for tapping in. I'm always sending you all empowerment and encouragement. And until we meet again, peace.